What's up, everybody? This is Justin from Party Rental Knowledge, and if you don't know, I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today, I got a real simple trick to show you. I use this tarp because, as you can see, this yard is just muddy. See what I'm saying? And I can keep my tent nice and clean by using this tarp. There's your tip. See how it's decently windy, but my tarp isn't moving? It's because this tarp isn't just a regular tarp. It's actually like cloth material. So the tip is, don't buy a 20 by 40 one of these unless you actually own a 40 wide tent. Use two 20 by 20 tarps on a 20 by 40 tent because it's so much harder to carry these things around. You could just rather just use two of them. It's so much easier.
Shout out to Brian from Rental Innovations because he's the one I bought that tarp from. I'm about to go buy some 20 by 20 ones right now. Subscribe for more tips.